So we'll see basics. Distance. It is the actual path length traveled by object in the given interval of time during the motion. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement. So what is displacement? It is the difference between final and initial position of an object in a given interval of time. It is a vector quantity. Distance can never be negative or zero. Distance is always positive. And whereas displacement can be positive, zero or negative. And one more thing, displacement of an object is always less than or equal to distance, and displacement is never greater than distance. Distance between two positions of an object can have many values, but displacement have one value.